it's Anissa. Today I have for you a fantastic deal on this waterproof power scrubber. Now you might have seen this on TV. This is the gold edition, which means more power. And when I say power, I mean a whole heck of a lot. Now we've sold others and none have had this much torque. And I'm telling you, when you start to scrub on something, it's going to eliminate it with ease. Let's take a look at the commercial.
How many times have you tried to clean a stubborn mess but end up with no success? What you need is the all-new waterproof Ruby Horsepower, the cordless and rechargeable power scrubber that cleans faster and easier. Watch, baked on oven grease is no match. It easily blasts away dirt and grime in no time. The power comes from our rotating brushes spinning at 350 RPM. The incredible torque fights calcium, soap, mildew, mold and more. Forget harsh chemicals. With just plain water, Horsepower can clean bathroom tiles and tubs back to their original shine and luster. It's a game changer in the kitchen where it busts through caked-on crud. Take it outside and tackle tough tasks with ease. And save on buying batteries. It's powered with the latest rechargeable technology. This incredible waterproof power scrubber comes with a flat brush cleaning head. But if you order today, you'll also get 4 bonus cleaning heads. There's a scouring sponge for baked-on mess, a stainless steel brush to remove stuck-on grease and grime from range hoods and gas stoves. It will make them look like new again. A SmartFlex comb brush that fits perfectly into corners, tiny crevices on toilets and tiles, or hard-to-reach shower door rails. And a microfiber polisher to clean delicate surfaces and polish cars sparkling clean. And if you want our ultimate scrubbing workhorse, then upgrade to Ruby Horsepower Gold. This deluxe model has an extended 2-hour runtime and it comes with a 4 bonus cleaning head.
You are going to love this. Remember, this is the deluxe gold model, and you're going to pay way less than what it sells for in stores and on TV. But you have to hurry because these will sell out. Head on over to Pulse TV and grab yours today.